What the heck? Why?
Fairfield County until 2:45 a.m. At 2:17 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 9 miles east of Circleville, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated.
They don't ever leave us alone.
Impact: flying debris will
I
be
just
dangerous
wanna
to those
leave.
caught without shelter.
Why?
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Lancaster, Baltimore, Bremen, Pleasantville, Hideaway Hills.
Ooh, they're gonna get an alert
Southville,
activation.
Sugar Grove, Fairfield County Airport, U.S. Route 22 at State Route 159, Clearport, Northburn, and Dumontville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Oh my god.
You're listening to NOAA Weather.
Bro, they don't ever let us sleep.